How to record Google Meet video call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can record your Google Meets video call. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Meet. Head over to meet.google.com. After you're there, you can start a new meeting. Tap on New Meeting right here. And let's create an instant meeting right now. After creating an instant meeting, you should be on the video call. After you're here, what you will find are different options here. So what you'll then need to do is tap on the three dots. If you find a recording option here, you can tap on it to start recording. If you don't see the recording option there, what you can do is tap on this option right here that says Meeting Tools. After you do that, here you should find the plus icon. Tap on it. And you can get an add-on for a meeting recorder. So all you have to now do is search for recorder here. After you do that, you'll find Meeting Recorder. Tap on Install. And install this. So there you can see, you can then tap on Continue. And after you tap on Continue, it will do its thing. It should start installing. After it installs, you can then start recording it. Now you can just log in using your Google. After you're there, you can then tap on Record this meeting option. So there you can see, you can choose whichever option that you want right here, and then tap on Start, and then your meeting should start recording. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.